Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do the exercise of unit 5, fit and healthy. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. First statement, which of the following provides the body with most energy? Option A, eggs. Option B, fruits. C, nuts. D, vegetables. The correct option is C, nuts. Statement number 2. A person with diabetes does not produce enough of the hormone insulin. What does insulin do? Option A. Control the level of fat in the blood. Option B. Controls the level of protein in the blood. Option C. Controls the level of sugar in the blood. Option D. Controls the level of vitamins in the blood. The correct option is C. Controls the level of sugar in the blood. Third statement. A heart attack is the blockage of the option A. Carotid artery. B. Carotid vein. C. Coronary artery. D. Coronary vein. Correct option is C. Coronary artery. Fourth statement. Asthma is caused by the tubes in the lungs becoming option A. Longer. B. Narrower. C. Shorter. D. Wider. Correct option is B. Narrower. Statement fifth. How are the joints of the body affected by excess body weight? Option A. They become dehydrated. Option B. They become inflamed. Option C. They become more supple. Option D. They stop working. Correct option is B. They become inflamed. Question number 2. True or false? First statement is the amount of iron in red meat is increased when minced in an iron mincer to make beef burgers. This is true statement. Number 2. Caffeine found in tea and coffee is a harmless drug. This is also true because it helps to wake up and remove our tiredness. Statement number 3. Obesity is a cause of diabetes. That is true. Statement 4. Cigarette smoke contains cyanide. That is true. Statement number 5. More people are living longer because they are getting obese. This statement is false. Question number 3. A weight and height graph for human adult is shown. Weight is along y-axis, height is along x-axis, and this graph is here. At the top it is of yellow color, purple, green, blue, light purple also, dark purple. Next we have to answer the questions. What does the diagram tell you about the following people? A. Boris. Boris is having a height 1.6 meter and weight 55 kg. This is the height of Boris, 1.6, and his weight is 55 kg. We will come to know that it comes in this range, and he is okay. He is healthy and fit. B. Doris. Doris is having height 1.5 meter and weight 100 kg. This is the height of Doris and its weight is 100 kg. He comes in this range, and this is very fat range, and he requires urgent treatment, and he has to do a lot of exercise regularly and take balanced diet. Alice, 1.7 meter height and 80 kg weight. This is the height of Alice and its weight come in this range 80 kg. This is this is the position of Alice in the chart, and he or she comes in the overweight range, and she can lose his weight by regular exercise and taking balanced diet. D. Morris, having height 1.8 meter and weight 60 kg. 1.8 meter with 60 kg. He or she comes in the underweight range, and he also requires balanced diet to become fit and healthy. His age 26. He is 1.9 meter tall and he weighs 120 kg. His position on the diagram is shown by a star. This is the position of Clive in the graph, and we can come to know by this position that he comes in fat range. Question A is comment on his position on the chart. His position on the chart comes in fat range, and he could suffer if he does not lose weight. B. Suggest how he might change his position on the chart. Beta, he might change his position on the chart by losing 30 kg weight, and he can do this by eating less fried food, butter, cream, and eating fresh vegetables and fruits, and taking exercise regularly. Question number 4. Deficiency diseases can result if items are missing from a balanced diet. 4 deficiency diseases are anemia, kwashiorkor, rickets, scurvy. Number 1. Which disease is caused by an absence of the following from the diet? A. Vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. Ricket is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. C. Iron. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron in the diet. D. Protein. Kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of by the deficiency of protein in the diet. Number 2. How would you tell if someone had anemia? Its answer is on page number 63. It will start from this line. A person affected with anemia looks pale and feel weak and tired. Next, how would you tell if someone had B. Rickets? The answer is again on page number 63, and it will start from this line. A disease called rickets affects bones, making them soft so they become bent and twisted. Thank you.